Let me show you how to set up and also use your Huawei Watch Fit 5 and also Fit 5 Pro edition with any iPhone. So yep, what's cool about this watch, it works absolutely great with iPhones. And also, for example, if you compare the Fit 5 versus the previous Fit 4, then it actually works way better with iPhones. On the Fit 4, we actually had a bunch of limitations, but this one was good. So first, to turn it on, simply press and hold the power button. Okay, so yep. And also we need to download the app to basically use this watch. So simply head to your Play Store and search for the Huawei Health app. Okay, so this one, and make sure to download it. Okay, so you see you have to select your language here, and simply let's leave aside while the app downloads. Okay, and once done, it will get placed on your screen somewhere, so we can open it up. Yep, choose your country. Have to agree a bunch of stuff. Notifications, yep, we want to allow this. And then we want to click on the devices here. Add device, and we are going to also need to log in with your Huawei account, or you can make a new one. So simply fill out or so register here. And once you log in, you'll see this pop-up. So we want to allow this syncing. So it actually syncs with the Apple Health as well. Turn on all and allow. Okay. And then again, we have to click on the device tab here as well. And you want to click add device here. So you see, and then, yeah, basically it found the watch. We're going to click here. It's going to pair. Yep, confirm the pairing request here. And also here. Yep, all the notifications. Next. Okay. Hello. If you want updates, or can click here, and then you see we are pretty much done. So you see, very easy and fast setup. It will also give you a quick guide on how to use it, but you can skip that. So first, how to use this watch. So let me show you everything about it. So if you swipe down, as you see, you can access all your settings here. For example, you can change the brightness. If you click here, you can, for example, go and change some more settings. For example, we can go enable the always on display here. Brightness, sleep, and whatnot. If you click and hold on your watch face, so you see it also gives you tutorial, you can swap to, for example, a different watch face here. Okay, and also you can edit the watch face as well on this watch. If you click and hold, click custom, so you see you can change between the different styles. If you swipe like this, you can also, for example, change the color of it, something else. Also, we can click this each things, and we can, for example, set it for something else. And once satisfied, simply click this to return to the main screen, and see you have, yeah, basically a new watch face set here. If you swipe like this, as you can access your notifications. If you swipe like this, you can access all kinds of events for today. For example, the weather here. If you want to go back, you can swipe like this. Okay, maybe not here, but or also use the home button. And you see also have the music controls. If you swipe like this, you can access all the tiles you have on your watch. For example, so you can also start the workout here. The first time you launch these things, it will ask you to agree to a bunch of stuff and also give you a tutorial. So you see,
workout started.
You can see, for example, start the workout. Also, if you want to access the maps on this watch, you simply swipe all the way down in the here. So you have the maps. I'll show you how to download them. Yep.
Workout ended.
Let's end it. If you press this button, you can get access to all the apps you have on your watch. If you also scroll all the way down, click on the list view, you can also change it to a list view here. So you see it's much better here. Okay, so see you have all the functions here. So see, for example, you have your phone, you can dial someone and then the call get routed through your phone as well. When someone calls, you can also obviously pick up the call. This button also can be customized for any action. So see, for example, if you go in the settings, so where do we have it? So down button. Once, and as you see, you can set it for pretty much anything here. For example, if you want to launch compass, so you see if I press it, my compass gets launched here. Yeah, absolutely cool. And if you want to manage more things, I suggest to simply use this Huawei Health app. So you see on the front here, you can see your exercise stuff, basically exercise records. If you click these things, you can also see the calories, for example, burned in each day, like step count and what not. If you click edit, you can also edit these tiles here. If you click on the devices, over here, click on the device here. As you see, you can also upload additional applications to this watch as well. So let me show you what, for example, we have here. So you see, we also have payment system as well, but you simply download, install this. I think this is mostly for Europe market. If you are watching this somewhere from somewhere else, maybe you have different choice for the payment here. But yeah, simply follow that. For example, we have a game here. So you see, you can install here and it will send over the app to your watch. Let's check it out later. And these are the additional apps we have here. So you see, it's transferring the application. For example, let's wait a bit. I'll show you, for example, what it looks like. Okay. So once it's installed, if you again go at the end of your apps, so see, for example, you have these applications that you just installed. We can, for example, play some quick game here. Yep. Okay. Also, if you go back here, as you can also upload music as well to this watch. So it has got internal storage, but first you have to get the song files to your phone. So you see, click import from phone, and then you'll be able to choose some songs and transfer them to the watch. And also offline maps here as well. So you can download the maps. By default, it doesn't have maps. So you go over here in the regions, and I suggest to download for your country and also this global overview map. I'll make sure this is downloaded here so I can actually see the full overview of the whole world, and then any other countries that you need. Okay. Also, what else we have? So music, gallery, and also you can go over here and also enable the health features that you might need. Obviously, the more of them you enable, the more battery this watch is going to drain. And over here in the My Faces, if you go here, you can also send over additional watch face as well to this watch. So you see, you can, for example, go over here, select what you want to transfer, for example, maybe this one. Okay, install, and let's see, for example, how fast it actually is. So you see, it's sending it over. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so you see, you have a new watch face now on this watch. And yeah, overall, this new Watch Fit 5 is definitely absolutely amazing. And if you compare to the past Watch Fit 4, then again, with iPhones, it's literally like 50 times better, because on the past, again, we couldn't even upload music. We couldn't, I think, what else we had? Basically, it was very limited. So again, we did not have the apps, we couldn't upload music, and again, it was limited also in other ways, but this one is actually very good. I can highly suggest it. Okay, good luck.